Hello, this is Yolanda Simonsis with Paper Film and Foil Converter, PFFC, and today we are at Converters Expo, and we are at the JEMMCO LLC booth with Jeff Opad, VP, and we're here to find out what's new.
We've just introduced a family of high-release roller coverings. The main covering that we're proud to introduce is our RS200. It's a high-release rubber sleeve that actually slides over the existing roller using air, and it provides excellent release properties.
Can I help?
Sure. I'll let you hold that. As you can see,
Oh, doesn't stick.
it doesn't stick. Right? And we've tried it with a number of different adhesives, and it works extremely well. It has operating temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Mm-hmm. So it can go in a wide variety of applications, including some ovens. It's easy to clean, just using isopropyl alcohol and water. Mm-hmm. And it's an economical alternative to a lot of the hard coats that are out there. Mm-hmm. The nice part about the sleeve is that it doesn't require any additional roller cores. It's no two-way shipping. It can either come by the piece, or we can sell it in roll length like that come 10 meters long. So it's 394 inches. So if your idler rolls are all the same diameter, you can just hack pieces off as you need them, slide them on your roll, and you're ready to go.
Easy.
So it's really easy. The second introduction to our family now is our RS100, and this is a new material. And this offers very good release properties. The advantage to this material is it's really economical. So when you're doing this in comparison to any bonded roller coverings, again, it's a sleeve material. As you can see, it just slides up over an existing roller core. Mm-hmm. With a little bit of air. You put the air in between the rubber and the roller. Slide it on like a sock. Remove the air. It contracts down, and you're ready to go. And it's a very economic alternative to a lot of the roller coverings, even bonded roller coverings. Mm-hmm. And those are the two major ones. We've also introduced, to add to our family, this is a heat shrink Teflon sleeve. And good applications for this would be, whereas those two materials are really good for things like pressure sensitives, hot melt glues, this material is really good for easy clean. For example, idler rolls on a printing press where you're going to get ink buildup or any kind of chemistry buildup on here. Mm-hmm. It works very similar to it's low COF, yeah, but it's a Teflon and it's pretty inert chemically. So if you get ink buildup, it pops off really clean. The example I usually use is, if you think of a frying pan and an egg, you know how you cook a frying pan in, and the egg in the frying pan, and how it will stick to the surface. Sometimes you stick the spatula and it pops off nice and clean. That's how this material works, and it's really easy to clean on terms of press idler rolls. We use it in some applications like extrusion nip rolls. I was going to ask, extrusion lamination maybe? Yep, extrusion nip rolls, so you don't have to wrap the Teflon, which we also sell, but the Teflon tapes, yep, it eliminates that. The big difficulty in that is you have to get pretty good at it. And the reason I say that is two things with Teflon. We sell it for idler rolls, we would sell it as a non-etched, so you don't have to bond it or glue it. Mm-hmm. If you're going to put it in a nipping application, we also have a chemical etch on the back side of it. Okay. And we sell it with an adhesive. Mm-hmm. So you can shrink it down and it will bond to the existing rubber. The nice part about that is where typically in those applications they normally go with a silicone roll and then they wrap the tape around it. Once you have the Teflon on it, you can go down to a less expensive EPDM or a less expensive rubber. Mm-hmm. The one thing you have to keep in mind is that it's a plastic, so it will take a compression set. So typically people that are running in an extrusion nip application, you would try and schedule your runs so you work outside in. So you start with your widest webs, and as you start getting the groove lines, you move yourself in. That material we would typically sell as a 60 thousandths wall. So once you're done running those runs, you want to run back, you just take a kiss grind. Okay.
Thank you so much for showing all of these new
Thank
products
you for stopping
JEMMCO.
by. Yeah, we're very excited about our new opportunities here.
And you happen to win the fire.
And I thank you for that.
Thank you, Jeff, for joining us.
Thank you.
This is Yolanda Simonsis at Converters Expo reporting. Look that way.
All right. I won't look at you.
Here comes the guy, get a shot.
He's walking around.